How to sync info in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sync the data. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this more option. Tap on more. So here, there are different options available. Now, on the first option, you can see the option called Sync Now. Simply tap on Sync Now. So, what does Sync Now do? It automatically syncs retrieved data and older datas. So all the datas will be synced and all the library will be updated. So you must do it time to time in order to have a proper library and get all the new updates in the books and even in the application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.